So you can actually understand कि दूसरा इंसान क्या सोच रहा है without even talking to them.
Yeah.
Yes?
We can. We will be doing something, so yeah.
Okay, our viewers are very excited right now for all these things.
So this is what we make for some people.
Very nice.
So इसके अंदर there are subliminal clues
अच्छा.
जो डले होते हैं based on that person's goals, their energies,
Their aspirations.
whatever they want in life.
So you believe in energies कि different energies होती हैं which are not no more in our world, you know. In the layman terms बोले कि भूत प्रेत basically. So do you believe in that or not?
And this is a random number.
I hope you all have got 4141
Yes.
ठीक है.
And this has no meaning, like yet. Before coming here, we did bring something with us, which I think will make sense now.
Something with us.
Oh my God! It's 4141
But the most interesting part about this is, ये एक random number नहीं है, because if I turn this around, this is the mind.
वेलकम टू गपशप एट टुकटुकी। आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा मिस्टीरियस भी। जस्ट इमेजिन कोई आपकी आंखों पे देखकर आपके बारे में सब कुछ बता दे। स्कैरी राइट? ऐसी ही एक बढ़िया साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है हमारी टुकटुकी ऐप पे भी, बी माइंड, एंड इट लीव्स अस विद लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। क्या सच में कोई आपका माइंड रीड कर सकता है, या फिर ये एक हिप्नोटाइजेशन है? क्या टेलीपैथी रियल है, और या फिर एक साइकोलॉजिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? और ऐसे ही मिस्टीरियस क्वेश्चंस के अमेजिंग आंसर्स करने के लिए आज हमारे पास एक नहीं दो स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं, मिस्टर नमन खन्ना एंड मिस्टर गौतम सेठ, the psychic entertainers. Guys, welcome to Gupshup at Tuktuki. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you
so much
for having us.
Thank you.
So first tell me, क्या आप सच में mind read कर पाते हो? First thing first.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So what is this mentalist being, reading the mind? Is it some kind of a showmanship, or is it really a science-backed thing?
So I think it's an umbrella term.
Okay.
It involves many things, जिसके अंदर telepathy, psychology, understanding of that, and many other aspects of understanding the human mind, वो सारी combine होके आती है, तो umbrella term को mentalism कहा जाता है.
Okay.
Because of that, you can do certain things which do look like a miracle.
Okay. And what is telepathy?
Telepathy was the original concept was कि कोई दो लोग they can communicate, जैसे हम इंसान बात करते हैं, through their mind without saying anything. That is telepathy, basic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can actually understand कि दूसरा इंसान क्या सोच रहा है without even talking to them.
Yeah.
Yes?
We can. We will be doing something, so yeah.
Okay. Our viewers are very excited right now for all these things. अच्छा, do you need somebody really in front of you कि उनका mind read करने के लिए, or you can do it through, through the screen or social medias, anything like that, over the phone call?
So no, not really. कि like, of course, if they are there in person, that's much better. We can tell a lot more about them. But even if like you're watching a video of us, or maybe something we do on your mobile screens, we can do certain things that can make you feel like your mind has been read. And in fact, today we will be doing a certain thing which the viewers can also be a part of, and they will experience this wherever they're watching it.
Very nice. Sounds so interesting. So just tell me, when you are doing all these things, does these things drain your energy also? Do you feel something in yourself, or it's just an thing that you do, an act?
No, so it does drain our energies, and because it requires बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे mental power and
Exactly.
the use of our energies to reach the other person, their energies to reach us, तो हाँ थोड़ा सा draining होता है.
How did you guys took this as a profession? कैसे गए इस चीज में?
Like we both have very different stories.
Yeah.
And मेरी story ये थी कि I think when I was in 5th 6th standard, वो तब पापा ने वो डोंगा लाता था वो तो वो लगवाया था. तो तब there was no unlimited data, ऐसे कि it was like 2 GB a day or a GB a day, जो आज हम ऐसे ही use कर लेते हैं. So I started reading about these things.
Okay.
And then I did this for 6th 7th तक मैं कर रहा था. Then it छूट गया फिर.
अच्छा.
And then after I think first year college के बाद, because of COVID, तो फिर we were at home, तो कुछ तो करना था. So then I started exploring this again. And अब थोड़ा और डेप्थ में, क्योंकि अब तो कोविड में तो कॉलेज थे नहीं, तो
जी.
that's when, और मैं वैसे भी स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी भी पढ़ रहा था साथ में,
Okay,
तो
okay,
it's
okay,
combined
okay.
with that. तो I started reading this, and yeah, so it's self-taught only.
Very nice. And you?
My story is that I always wanted to like give joy to people in some way. कि मेरे को होता था कि maybe क्योंकि इतनी struggle होती है सबकी life में, इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है, so how can I make someone happy? तो पहले मेरे को music में कुछ करना था, but that I left. So when I was 7 or 8 years old, मेरे को याद है मैं अपने grandfather के साथ हमेशा लूडो खेल रहा था.
Okay.
I'm sure सबने लूडो खेला होगा बचपन में कभी ना कभी, right? And there was this one time कि हम खेल रहे थे and he was just sitting over there. मैं कहीं और देख रहा था, he rolled the dice, it was his turn. तो जैसे उन्होंने dice roll करी, मैंने out of nowhere कह दिया, वो दादू 4 आया होगा.
Oh.
And I saw this 80-year-old man freak out. ऐसे वो ऐसे हो गए एकदम कि इसको कैसे पता चला कि 4 आया होगा.
Yeah.
तो he really pushed me to do this thing. And even though he isn't here with me anymore, but उनकी memory में I still have that dice with me.
Seriously?
Yeah, I still carry that.
What a beautiful memory to have this. Very nice. So you tell me that everybody in this world like has intuition, right? But we sometimes हम उस पे believe करते हैं, sometimes नहीं believe करते हैं. तो how to sharpen your intuition?
So to sharp, like intuition सबकी होती है, as you mentioned very correctly. कितनी बारी हुआ होगा आपके साथ कि you were thinking about someone and maybe शायद उनको call आ गया हो, or maybe you wanted a message from someone and उस बंदे का message, and it's like out of the blue. It's not something कि कोई randomly रोज करता हो तो then it's different. But someone you are not expecting and it happens. Or maybe sometimes you thought कि ये मुझे लग रहा है ये चीज होगी. You got that gut but आपने उस पर focus नहीं किया and then eventually that happened. So सबकी होती है. Of course, there are certain practices, rituals, meditations which people do to focus on that very specific thing कि they can harness it जब वो चाहते हैं at will.
Okay.
तो अभी subconsciously होता है. अगर if you want to harness it, there are certain rituals which you can do.
So you guys follow certain rituals to just harness your whole
We do.
art?
There are certain techniques, certain concentration techniques, meditation techniques which you can do.
So there is proper study?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you
there is
can.
a like मतलब proper जैसे astrology होता है उसमें you have to study a lot of things to become that particular astrologer. So what is your study?
I would say like मैंने जो अपने लिए करा हुआ है इतना complicate नहीं करा चीज़ों को. See, I think it's all about your mind. So if you are sort of able to control the thoughts you have, you gain a lot of control over yourself. But वो बहुत tough होता है करना. Because सबके दिमाग में negative thoughts आती हैं, सब चाहते हैं कि वो positively सोचें. So there are certain tools which we use in our life to help us harness those energies, and then there are certain practices which we use to increase our intuition. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं ऐसी.
So you guys can read anybody's mind ऐसे ही मिलते हैं या फिर you have to sit in a particular situation and then you can do that?
Like there are certain processes which we have created to read someone.
Yeah.
Let's suppose if we had to try something with you. Do you have your phone with you?
No, I have.
So as we were mentioning about the wallpaper as well, which we have created for ourselves, but we do one thing which is we read people based on their wallpapers as well.
Oh, I have no wallpaper.
You have no, it's blank.
Yes.
But it works. It does tell us
It's just what the
It's fine. It's fine.
company gives.
Even better.
Because this shows.
Yeah. Because ये एक चीज बताता है about you that if you think कि random चीजें आती हैं उस पे, random चीजें नहीं आती हैं. Whatever comes is somehow based on your life and how you feel about things. So if you don't mind, just क्योंकि ये किसी को भी नहीं पता होगा अभी क्या होगा wallpaper है. If you can show it to the camera अभी क्या wallpaper आ रहा होगा. Okay.
This is.
Okay, it's like a rock mountain.
Yeah, a lot of clouds.
ठीक है.
Snow.
So rock or mountains do have a trait that they're considered like very like structures which are very hard, tall. But in life as well we do this. We try to become very hard, like कि मुझे किसी से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. We sometimes emotionally numb ourselves.
Yes.
But under we have this constant thought. So can you again show the wallpaper to me like this? But you can see कि पीछे there is very clear sky as well.
Yes.
It's very clear sky. So which shows कि sometimes we become very hard in our life, but there are certain thoughts which are going in our head. For example, in your case specifically, what I can sense is currently from you is like बचपन से you have been told many things by many people, maybe I think around your family or some people, which have made you feel a certain way. And वो बचपन आप खत्म हो गया, but you still carry that with you currently.
Okay.
And I think it is some sort of a feeling which I can sense is that maybe I'm not doing enough or maybe I'm not enough myself.
Okay.
Okay, something around those lines.
Okay.
So this is something which you have been carrying, or ये बचपन का ही, I think because I don't know, because of certain things which was said to you कि मैं शायद हमेशा you always feel whenever you're doing something, and maybe this time as well, doing this as well.
Yeah.
कि when you started this, because we know you have started this recently. कि, am I doing enough? Maybe am I good enough? So you have this in you. So
Okay.
I think so that was based on the wallpaper.
Okay. Wow. I didn't even think about the wallpaper. It came on its own, and I was like, yeah, let it be.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah.
Wow. Chalo. My.
Sorry.
Acha, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Okay, please.
I'm able to get another thing.
Okay.
Because as we said, कि कुछ random नहीं होता. Like
Okay.
whatever is happening right now, it's based on you. Maybe it's meant to happen as well. Maybe we were meant to meet today. That's why आज के दिन ये चीज़ schedule हुई है.
True.
Right? So he told you that how you feel about certain things. But there are also people who support you a lot through your life, right?
Yes.
And I think you are thinking of one specific person from your life who has supported you a lot, who has helped you sail through things a lot, and still does in fact. ठीक है. If you could just really focus on this person's name for us. ठीक है. Okay. Just yes or no.
Okay.
This is a female you're thinking about. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है. In fact, I am going to write this down so the people can really be sure of it as well.
मेरा ही केस ले लिया.
Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes.
Okay.
You will show it to the camera. लिख के.
Okay, I'm able to sense a lot of positive energy from this person, a lot of closeness as well. Like you're pretty tight with this person. I think this is someone in your immediate family.
Yes.
Okay. But you haven't told us any of this.
No.
Okay. ठीक है, close your eyes for a moment. Okay, I will show this to the camera. You can keep your eyes closed
Okay.
for a second. I'll just show it. Keep your eyes closed. I think एक ये नाम मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है somehow. So now I have shown something to the camera जो
Okay.
आपने शायद किसी को ना बताया हो कि
Okay.
ये इंसान कितना बड़ा emotional support रहा है.
Can you place your hand like this? ऐसे face.
I will just put it here.
Okay.
For the first time.
Yeah.
किसका नाम सोच रहे थे आप?
मैं देखूं इसको? नहीं.
आप बता दो
नाम-
पहले.
नाम, the person from your life.
My sister,
What's her name?
Chetna.
Chetna.
Yeah.
But this is your sister.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. ठीक है. I somehow got another name. Does that name relate to you anyhow?
Yeah, she's my very good friend.
She's a very good
Yeah.
friend.
Since-
Astha.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
इसका नाम भी आपने somehow सोचा था.
I think so.
Okay, I think I got two names
Yes,
from your
yes,
end, so I
yes.
got Astha first.
Yes,
I don't
yes,
know why.
yes. Yeah.
So you should, I think, talk to her.
You should.
Thank you. Yes,
Yeah.
I will talk to her, Asta.
Yeah.
When was the
Yes.
last time you talked to her? Like,
It's been a while,
Right.
but yeah, we are pretty close. It's been a while. Yeah.
Nice.
That's really interesting. Thank you. Asta is gonna be really happy. Okay. Let's get back to the show. Acha, it is always said ki, that the twins they have a good telepathy. Mothers and the kid have a good telepathy. So unki telepathy and aap logo ki telepathy, is it same or is it entirely different?
So at the very core, the thing is कि जैसे आपने बोला twins में telepathy होती है या parents या child में हो सकती है किसी. So I think that is very inbuilt. Again, that is
Okay.
very on a
Yes.
very subconscious level. What we currently do is because we want to show you a certain, like, it's a demonstration in some sense, because we want to show you कि you thought of this, we told you this, so this is a proof.
Yeah.
Technically उस वाली telepathy में there are certain things which can prove it, but हमें तो demonstrate करना, तो we have, you can say कि packaged it in a very different way कि we can demonstrate it as well.
Yes, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. Acha, there is this word going around on social media and it's manifestation. Everybody's talking about full moon rituals and manifestation. Do you guys believe in it?
Yeah, we do.
You do?
Yes, मतलब like I also said कि it's about whatever you think, जो भी thoughts आपके दिमाग में आएंगे, that actually shapes your reality. क्योंकि अगर आप बहुत negative self talk करोगे,
Yes.
you will feel in that manner, you will attract those things.
Okay.
But if you are able to like maybe I won't say think positively क्योंकि वो मुश्किल होता है. Like अगर आपके life में बहुत सारे challenges चल रहे हैं, it's difficult to stay positive. So how do you do that? Like I shared one thing about that. But हाँ, we feel it's pretty real.
Okay.
And इसके लिए we have also created one very special thing.
Okay.
So it is like, if I can show it,
Yeah.
this manifestation wallpaper.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we make for some people.
Very nice.
So इसके अंदर there are subliminal clues
अच्छा.
जो डले होते हैं based on that person's goals, their energies,
Their aspirations.
whatever they want in life.
So you believe in energies, like हर किसी की different energy है. So how do you cater to that?
So
First of all, how you get to know about the energy? कैसे पता चलता है?
it's very person to person. It's very subjective in that sense. क्योंकि टेक्निकली एनर्जी लाइक ऑफ कोर्स जैसे ना मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में एक चीज बहुत बोली जाती है इंटरनेट पे, लाइक कुछ लोगों को लगता है सम लाइक साइंस और वुडू साइंस और समथिंग सुपरनैचुरल इन दैट सेंस. बट फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे वॉलपेपर की भी बात हुई, तो हाउ डज दैट वर्क? आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट वेरी सिंपली कि बेसिक भाषा में कोई अगर लेमैन देख रहा तो उसको समझेगा कि हाँ इट मेक्स सेंस. व्हिच इज फॉर एग्जांपल हमारा दिमाग काम करता है कि जब एक बिहेवियर बार-बार रीइंफोर्स होता है, लाइक यू गेट स्टिमुलस टू दैट थिंग.
Okay.
तो फोन एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम दिन में लाइक 100 बार ही खोलते हैं. सो व्हेनेवर यू सी दैट, बिकॉज उसमें वो गोल्स प्रोग्राम्ड है, तो आपका दिमाग सबकॉन्शियसली इन्फ्लुएंस होता है क्योंकि एक्सपोजर थेरेपी यू कैन से. सो बार बार दिखता है. तो एनर्जीज आर आल्सो वेरी सब्जेक्टिव इन दैट सेंस. हर इंसान की एनर्जी अलग होती है एंड इट स्टेट्स होती है, जैसे अल्फा बीटा स्टेट्स होती है जिसमें हर इंसान लाइक इट्स थ्रू देयर लाइफ चेंज होती रहती है एंड थ्रू फेजेस ऑफ देयर लाइफ भी चेंज होती रहती है. फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव अ वेरी गुड फेज इन योर लाइफ करंटली, तो अलग होगी.
Okay.
दिन में अलग हो सकती है, रात में अलग हो सकती है. So these are different for different times and different phases of life.
Okay. Nice. Do you believe in supernatural powers also? Like those are also, I feel, कि they are kind of energies.
Yeah.
So, do you feel that they are real? They are not real? Any comment on that?
So supernatural powers, like, what are you referring to as that?
Like something which is not of our planet.
Oh, like other species
Yeah.
or something.
Other
like that?
species also we can talk about. Like, do you think that there are aliens?
होते होंगे. बहुत बड़ा यूनिवर्स.
Yeah. So no, the supernatural powers. What I mean is like कि different energies होती हैं which are not no more in our world. You know, in the layman terms बोले कि भूत प्रेत basically. So do you believe in that or not?
I would say little bit.
Okay.
इस पे I have, मतलब at least for me, I've been trying to search about this
Okay.
stuff a lot, but I haven't found anything concrete to
Okay.
believe in supernatural things. But हाँ, I believe कि हर इंसान की as he also energies होती हैं,
Yeah.
which can be transformed, which can be controlled, which can be
Okay.
changed for the better.
Yeah, for sure.
So,
Okay. Mentalist and astrologer. What is the difference?
I think the core difference is usually mentalism is used for entertainment purposes. It is
Okay.
usual cases
Yeah.
में. We do use it to help people as well. Earlier we also used it for entertainment purposes. Astrology is technically based on like giving or telling someone's future or
Yes.
giving them predictions. This will that is sort of self-help in that sense. Mentalism is more of entertainment. But of course we are, because earlier हम भी जब entertainment करते थे तो people used to ask us कि okay, what you do is great, but how can it help us? So that's why the manifestation wallpaper as well. कि अच्छा the skills we have, it can help someone. The astrology is more about telling about you plus what will happen with you.
Yes.
So mentalism can be about that, but we usually don't do that.
Okay,
that is
so
the-
you can't predict the future for anybody. You can say what is going on and how can you achieve more things.
you can give them a guided interpretation
Okay.
of where their life is going,
Okay.
based on certain signals, certain mechanisms, systems. Like tarot reading is also a type of system.
Oh, okay, okay. So
So you
you
can
do
give
that
them an
also?
interpretation, yes.
Okay.
But necessarily saying कि यही होगा, that I think we can't. I think no one can.
No, just to add to
Yeah.
it a little bit, astrology is more of someone telling you कि आपके साथ ऐसा 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 होगा.
हाँ.
So you are giving them the power. आप उनको अपने ऊपर as a independent being उनको control दे रहे हो क्योंकि
True.
ये बता रहा है and आप उसको मान लेते हो.
True.
What we focus on, whether through entertainment or through the wallpaper or anything, is to give that person their belief back
अच्छा.
and control in their life. कि you are this, we can tell your positives, your negatives, you need to work on that, but we believe in giving you that belief through the power of your mind कि आप अपनी life खुद कैसे better कर सकते हो without anyone else telling you कि आपको ये करना है.
Objective ही पूरा different है. Like I feel कि that is more fear based.
Yeah.
Your is more positive based.
Yeah.
Yes.
The core पे astrology I would say is like nothing against it, but मुझे
Yeah.
लगता है, let's suppose if I tell you कि this will happen with you,
Exactly.
and let's suppose you go to someone else and they tell you this will happen with you, what will you focus on? And it's like, and इसमें वो भी एक bias आ जाती है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको पता है क्या होने वाला है तो then why will you do something? तो एक वो भी है, तो it's like, तो वो bias, it's more of like कि आपको एक direction देना, and then like this is your personality like analysis, this is your positive, this is your negative, these are things which you will do which will be better for you based on your personality, ये नहीं होंगे, this is a direction based thing, and we are not predicting कि ये होगा, that's तो फिर I think you will be God if you can do that.
That's true, that's true. So your studies like is basically based on psychology, should I say that? Like
Not just psychology.
Okay.
It is like we mentioned. It is on a lot of things, like improving our intuition, improving our, I would say, the control of energies around us and with other people, and how to tell them how to take over their senses or their energies and stuff like that. And it has psychology involved in it, like, but it's divided into a lot of things.
So have you faced anybody जिन्होंने कभी ऐसे बोला कि अरे ये तो trick है, it's nothing real you are doing, since you say it's like entertainment purposes से. Have you met anybody like that? Has anybody said it?
It's I think everything works on belief.
Yeah.
If someone like there are people जो हमारे पास आए हैं कि maybe our daughter is gone or someone else is gone, like someone very important from their life. So can you make us after the show, like they have come up to us and they asked us कि क्या आप हमारी उनसे बात करवा सकते हैं?
Oh, can you do that?
Like they have asked us.
Yeah.
Like, we are not claiming we can do that, but
Okay.
they have asked us.
Okay.
Because they believe कि we can, because what they have seen.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but again अब किसी और का belief नहीं है उसमें, like he's very वैसे कि नहीं ये तो tricky होती है एग्जाम पे किसी का है, तो then he will see from that lens. तो कुछ लोग supernatural मान लेते हैं, कुछ लोग trick मान लेते हैं, पर वो दोनों ही नहीं है. So yeah, so that
It's science backed thing, like
yeah,
you can
explain it logically.
yeah.
And बहुत सारी चीजें, like another story is कि we were performing somewhere,
Yeah.
and we met this gentleman. So he had a fear of his, and he asked us कि क्या हो सकता है इसके around. तो like we did something with him that like made a grown man cry, which doesn't really happen because उनकी हमने वो जो fear की feeling थी, we let him go of that.
Alright.
So we helped him transform that thing in his life. So मतलब, and that was entirely him being a part of it, and उन्होंने हमें कहा, so that was great. Hats off. We don't करते नहीं हैं, उनको लगता है कि वो सब सही है, हम सही है. But it's about like even asking someone to do things is a great first step. That's how it works.
Very nice. Let's do a little bit of rapid fire question. Like quick, okay? Your art is a science or illusion?
Everything I do so instinctive and so
Both.
passionate.
Okay.
Every word I move
Biggest
so descriptive,
disadvantage
I
of
can
being a
actually live.
mentalist?
I got a vendetta against people who
You have to bear the burden of so many thoughts.
Yeah. Telepathy,
I got
gift
facts
or
over
curse?
facts over tracks, this and that, spitting
Oh.
slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could
Who's
gas,
most
think I'm
manipulative,
okay,
man,
but I
women, or a
don't know
mentalist?
what that can erase all the past and
I
the
would say
memories.
mentalist.
Okay. Stage performances or one-on-one reading?
Stage performances.
Yeah, why? Is it more fun?
The feel, the vibe,
Yeah.
the
The
audience
high
of the
there's
stage,
so many people.
and just being on stage,
Okay.
different feel.
Before we close it, something for the audience.
So like you spoke of the show,
Yes.
which is streaming on the platform,
The
which is
Mind.
The Mind.
Yes.
So वो एक चीज़ के बारे में that influencing people and how कैसे वो अपने इंसान को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, and basically about influence and control.
Yes.
So influence is all around us.
Yes.
Right? Whatever we are seeing, whatever we are doing, हम उससे कहीं ना कहीं influence हो जाते हैं subconsciously, we realize नहीं होता that how it is affecting in our actions. So what if we tell you कि जब से हम यहाँ आए हैं, you have been sort of influenced to do something which you will do right now.
Okay.
ठीक है? Inside let's try it. And जितने भी लोग ये देख रहे हैं, जितने भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, सब लोग everyone can participate in this.
Yes,
All you
sure.
will need for this is your phone,
Okay.
and you can participate with us only.
Okay.
ठीक है? And just on your phone, open your calculator. जो भी है कर रहा है,
Everyone watching at your room.
open your calculator.
Okay, the calculator is open.
You can put your phone down. We will need you to interact with us.
Okay.
ठीक है?
ठीक है,
आप कर
ठीक है.
ठीक है? Okay. We will start with you only, of course. So, name a 4-digit number, any number which comes to your mind. कोई भी.
Okay. 1, 7, 3, 9.
So 1, 7, 3, 9. We can all डाल सकते हो अपनी कैलकुलेटर में।
हमें भी डाल
आप साथ ही करो, नहीं ठीक है
ठीक है साहब।
Everyone watching this, so the next step is we will ask this number from. Why can you name a random 4-digit number?
4 डिजिट का कोई भी। ओके सो 1739 प्लस 4562 जो उन्होंने कैमरा के पीछे से कहा है 4562 एंड हिट प्लस अगेन एक और प्लस जस्ट प्रेस दैट
Again, we will go with you.
Should I do? Okay.
Any other code?
2526.
2526 so
Yes.
plus 2526 and अगर हम equals to दबाए 8827 1739
So everybody watching this would be on this number.
हाँ
Which is
8827 आ गया 8827 ओके परफेक्ट। now ये सारी conscious choices थी आपने
Yeah.
नंबर बोला उन्होंने नंबर
Yeah.
बोला but we were talking about subconscious कि कैसे how हमारे actions जो होते हैं without us knowing how to सिर्फ आप ये करिए सबका अभी नंबर होगा 8827 आई विल
Okay.
प्रेस प्लस बिना देखे यू विल टैप रैंडमली 7 digits
Randomly, without
just tap
Got facts over facts over tracks, listen that, spitting slow, spitting
Okay.
fast,
हाँ,
knock the
हो
road, stack the
गया।
gas,
So
think
you
I'm
can
wrong,
confirm
damn,
this.
that's
So
what
press
I
plus
know with that,
और
can
डाल दो
erase all the past
4
and the
1
pettiness, a
3 2
reflection of the emptiness,
4 1
hilarious,
4
you think you're with
ठीक है।
That's for you.
Yeah.
Tab 4 1 3 2 4 1
414.
and if you hit equal तो total आया वो है 4 1 4 1 2 4 1 4 1 4 1 2 4 1
Okay.
So this would be something just जो भी देख रहे
हाँ।
होंगे everyone would be doing this together.
ठीक है।
And this is a random number.
Okay.
This has no meaning.
Okay. I hope you all have got 4141241.
yes
ठीक है।
And this has no meaning. Like yes.
so imagine this कि अगर आपने कोई और नंबर बोला होता एक डिजिट के अलग बोला होता अगर आपने कोई और नंबर बोला होता कुछ और ऐड होता एंड दिस टोटल होता है
Different.
Before coming here, we did bring something with us. Which I think will make sense now.
4 1 4 1 2 4 1
Yes.
The possibilities of this happening is 1 in a million. Like this can't happen. These were random numbers. जो इन्होंने बोले उन्होंने बोले.
but from home we got something with us
Oh my God.
which is
It's 4141241.
But the most interesting part about this is we were talking about this, right?
Yeah.
The show on the platform is
Yeah.
there, and it is about influencing people. कि आप किसी के दिमाग में कोई ख्याल डाल सकते हो. This had to happen. आपको वही number बोलने थे. He had to say that number only because अगर हम यहाँ पे ना होते आज इस podcast पे, this would not make sense because ये एक random number नहीं है. Because if I turn this around, this is mine. Everyone, so go watch it. This is for you. Thank you so much. We are the third eye. That's Naman. That's what. Thank you. I love you.
Thank you so much. That was really amazing. Wow, the mind. So thank you so much both of you for this amazing experience. Just not for all of us who are here, but for all the viewers. And I think सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. So please go like, share, subscribe, download the app, watch The Mind, and watch this whole episode and book their shows. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.